Hey there! Did you know that nearly 60% of busy professionals skip breakfast due to time constraints? It's a staggering number, isn't it? Do you often rush out the door without breakfast? Maybe you think you don't have the time or energy to prepare something nutritious. If this sounds like you, stick around. I've got some fantastic solutions that will change your mornings for the better. Today, I'm sharing 5 easy and healthy breakfast recipes perfect for your hectic mornings in 2024. These recipes are not only quick, but also packed with nutrients to keep you energized throughout the day. Finding time to prepare a nutritious breakfast can be a real challenge, especially when you're juggling multiple responsibilities. With busy schedules, early meetings, and constant rushing, it's no wonder breakfast often gets overlooked. But it doesn't have to be this way. But here's the thing, skipping breakfast can lead to decreased energy, poorer concentration, and even weight gain. It's crucial to fuel your body right at the start of the day. So, how can you make sure you start your day right without sacrificing precious time? The answer lies in these quick and nutritious recipes. Let's dive into these 5 quick and nutritious breakfast ideas. Trust me, they are game changers. First up, we have green smoothies. These are a powerhouse of nutrients and incredibly easy to make. These are a fantastic way to pack in fruits, veggies, and nutrients. You can customize them to your taste and dietary needs. Just blend some spinach, a banana, a handful of berries, and a splash of almond milk. You can also add a scoop of protein powder if you like. In less than 3 minutes, you've got a delicious and powerful start to your day. It's perfect for those mornings when you're in a rush. Next, let's talk about overnight oats. This is a make-ahead breakfast that saves you time in the morning. Mix rolled oats with your choice of milk, a dollop of yogurt, and some honey or maple syrup. You can also add chia seeds for an extra nutritional boost. Let it sit in the fridge overnight. The oats will absorb the liquid and become soft and creamy. In the morning, top it with fresh fruits and nuts. You can get creative with the toppings. Think berries, sliced bananas, or even a sprinkle of cinnamon. This one's perfect because you can make it the night before and grab it on your way out. It's a no-fuss, nutritious option. Our third recipe is avocado toast. This trendy breakfast is not only delicious but also incredibly healthy. Simply mash up a ripe avocado, spread it over whole grain toast, and sprinkle with some salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. You can also add some chili flakes for a bit of heat. Add a poached egg on top if you have an extra minute. The combination of creamy avocado and runny egg yolk is unbeatable. This is not only quick but also packed with healthy fats and proteins. It's a satisfying way to start your day. Number 4 is yogurt parfaits. These are as beautiful as they are nutritious. Layer plain Greek yogurt with your favorite granola and fresh berries. You can also add a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of nuts. You can even prepare these in a mason jar the night before. They are perfect for a grab-and-go breakfast. This breakfast is rich in probiotics and will keep you full and satisfied. It's a great way to support your digestive health. And now for the star of the show, breakfast tacos. These are a fun and delicious way to start your day. Yes, you heard that right. Breakfast tacos are not just for weekends. They can be a quick weekday option too. Scramble some eggs, toss in a handful of black beans, and wrap it all up in a whole grain tortilla. You can also add some cheese if you like. Add some salsa and avocado slices, and you've got yourself a nutritious meal ready in under 5 minutes. It's a flavor-packed breakfast that will keep you going. This one's a game changer for those super hectic mornings. It's quick, easy, and incredibly satisfying. Let's do a quick recap. These recipes are designed to make your mornings easier and healthier. We talked about green smoothies, overnight oats, avocado toast, yogurt parfaits, and the standout breakfast tacos. Each one is unique and offers a different set of nutrients. Each of these recipes is quick, easy, and packed with essential nutrients to kickstart your day. They are perfect for busy mornings when you need something fast and healthy. No more excuses for skipping breakfast. With these recipes, you can enjoy a nutritious meal even on the busiest of days. I'd love to hear from you. What's your go-to breakfast recipe? Do you have any tips for making mornings easier? What's your go-to breakfast recipe? Have you tried any of these or do you have your own favorites? Share your thoughts and ideas. Have you tried any of these or do you have your own favorites? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Your feedback is always appreciated. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Let's create a community of breakfast lovers. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more healthy cooking videos. Stay tuned for more delicious and nutritious recipes. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day. Remember, a healthy breakfast is the best way to start your day.